Okay then, it's time for another unboxing. This time it's a flash. I bought this to go with my A6000. The only reason I actually bought it was because I was at the camera show and it was over £100 cheaper than it is on Amazon. So I had some photography issues at the hi-fi show where I really needed a flash. The one I've got built in is no good because it casts a shadow because of the lenses. So here we are, I've got a flash, and this is like, I think they're top of the range one, the HVL-F60M, and it's a GN60, so it's quite bright. It's also got a video light as well, an LED light, so you move the top up and there's a light underneath, so looks pretty top. So let's see what's in the box. A little bag. Now this is nice. This is so you can change the colour. So if you're shooting under LED and it's a bit blue, you can just rebalance that. So that's a nice thing to have. Okay. Oh, it's in a nice bag as well. Oh, that's good. What's we got in here? Lots of manuals. Oh, there's something else hiding down there. Another bag. Nice. Okay, so have a quick look at the box. There you go. Quick shift bounce, quick navigation. Lots and lots and lots of different languages, etc. Pictures of what's in the box. Okay. Alright, let's do the boring bits first then. Let's see how much paper they've wasted this time. Oh, okay, there's no English. Right, oh, hang on, there's another book. Oh, nice. Oh, we've got a proper instruction manual with over 100 pages in English, so that's good. I like that. What else we got? Oh, this is this guarantee thing. I don't know if anyone ever reads them. Right, so we've got a little colour diffuser. I think I'll just pop it out. Put it on the white background so you can see it a bit better there. Shall I go and put the light on? There we go. Now, what's in the little bag? It couldn't be a tiny little flash to go with a tiny little camera, could it? No. Oh, I see. It's the adapter. So if you've got an X7 or something like that, you may need this adapter to change it to the old Sony hot shoe. Now, thank goodness. Now, I'll get the 6000 out. Now you have a standard hot shoe, yes. So hopefully I won't ever need that. Now what's in this one? Ah, nice. A nice diffuser. And some more paper. About what? Oh, okay, not okay. Make sure you put it the right way round, or else the whole world could end. What's this? Oh, okay, not okay. Oh, more danger. Oh, alright. So, glad I've read all that. I'm up to date. So what else do we have? That's all the little bits that go with it. That away. So here's the star of the show. Quite a sturdy looking package. It's got a loop at the back, and it's got a bit of reinforcement on the front there. And a nice zip. That's a nice bag. Yeah, that's worth keeping it in. So here we are. Here it is. Let's take that protective covering off. Nice, new, shiny. Oh! I've never had a proper flash before, so I'm finding this quite exciting. Oh, is this another warning? Notes, remarks. Oh, there's a nice lock. I noticed on the one below this it didn't have that. It had a different locking system where you just push something at the side. This is a nice, robust, easy to use lock. Okay, plenty of controls. Now there's the video light showing, obviously. And to make it a different spectrum, right? So it's for the LED in the camera, and for a minute I thought it went on the flash, but obviously it's far too small. So, all right, got a nice diffuser there. It's nice when it's all built in, isn't it? Oh no, hang on, I don't want the world to end, so it's this way round, isn't it? Not the other way round. How easy is that to get on? A bit finicky. Oh, maybe I put it around the wrong way. Oh, I thought it went around the other way. Where's that piece of paper warning me of the dangers? Oh, I have put it around. Well, it's hard to put it round the other way. I don't know why they... Oh, never mind. Anyway, so there we are with the diffuser on. Oh, how to get it off? Okay, that's... Yeah. So, obviously you've got the bounce... Oh, it goes right back. Oh, that's good. So you can get a wall behind bounce. And obviously right round to the front. Like so. But here's the real thing that some of the other ones didn't do, which I think is great, is this. So you can bring it round to either side. That is great. Now, on the A6000, I'm going to be using that to show you how it is in situ. It's very close to the eyepiece. Oh, hang on, I think we've got protective covering on here. Yeah, we have. Quick. There you go. So that fits on fairly easily and locks fairly easily. Now, oh goodness, that's quite a bit heavier obviously. But when you take it on the full tilt near the button, like so, you can still hold the camera and you can still get your finger in there to take a photo. So you can use it on this camera at all the angles without any real trouble. Nice. Okay. So let's get some batteries, shall we? Let's see what it's like. Okay, so it's got a nice feel to it. Right, so the back to positive upwards, and the front to positive down. Maybe it means. Can you see the marking on? Yeah, let's see if I can get that on the camera there. So maybe it's not one row positive, one row negative. Maybe it's one up, one down. Oh, that'd still be the same, wouldn't it? Oh goodness. Oh right, there's one. There's writing on each side. So I was just looking at this side. There is in fact. There we go. Battery info on that side as well. So right. So this side. Goodness. Why can't you get a rechargeable pack for these? That's what I want to know. Why do they use standard batteries? I mean, obviously you can get rechargeable batteries. There we go. There we go. So that's the sequence for the batteries. Oh, making a noise. Let's turn that off a moment. Right, okay. Huh, right. Oh! Whoa, that's bright. Oh, that's bright. What did you expect it to be? Dark? There we are then. Let's blast you out. There you are. Just take this. A minute. Whoa. And, oh. There's the refresh rate. I'm still pushing. There we go. It's quite quick. Totally silent. Show you some of the info on the back. Backlit. Nice. Quite a firm dial there. Nice and easy to navigate. Actually, let me zoom in and show you all of that. Right, there we go. Oh, it's got memory as well. Nice. Just zoom back out now. Let me just turn the overhead light out so you can see how bright that is. So it's daylight at the moment. It's just gone 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and it is lighting the surrounding area up. So there we are. This is the Sony CyberShot HVL-F60M flash multi-interface shoot, and my first proper flash. So please check in on Flickr, Mesmerland Flickr, and I'm sure you'll be seeing these photos with flash coming up fairly soon now. Thanks for watching, and see you all again soon. Bye now.